Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, as we all know that today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, was a great ideal teacher and philosopher. According to his instruction, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day in our country, India. Besides being a philosopher and a teacher, he was the first vice president and second president of our country, India. He was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirathunni in Tamil Nadu. He was so brilliant in his educational field that he never got second position in any exam. After being the president, when some of his students and his friends wanted to celebrate his birthday, he said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, if this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day, it will be more honorable to me." Every students pay their tribute to their sirs and madams in this day. They give their humble but hearty gifts to their dear teachers. Every students look forward for this day. This day make a relation between the teachers and the students. I want to end my speech through a course of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He said, "A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science." Thank you.